Hello, students of Standard 8. Welcome to the YouTube channel of Monbritia. We were in the question answers of chapter 1 resources. Two questions already we have written in our last video. Today we will go through what is resource planning. But before we start that, you should understand I have already explained you what is resources. I have already explained you what is resource. Now that resources which are very beneficial for every human beings should be used in a planned way, so that is called resource planning. So resource without proper resource planning, we cannot use those things in a planned way. So what is resource planning? So first question, what is resource planning? Now you see, resource planning is a technique, process, or a skill. Skill, what is a skill? Skill is to use technologically, or you should know the technique of use, that is called skill. So resource planning is a technique or skill of proper or judicious use of resource. Proper or judicious. What do you mean by judicious? See, the words always while writing you should pronounce and write, and you try to write the word pronouncing it in a short method. Means you just break the word whichever it is difficult to pronounce. When you break the word, it will be easy for you to write with proper spelling. Judicious. Like this. Ju, D-I-C-S, C-I-O-U-S. In this way, if you write, you will never do mistake in spelling. So, resource planning is a technique or a skill of proper or judicious, means legally. It should be legally. It should not be illegal use of resources. Because now, after reading what is resource planning, that is proper use of resource, judicious use of resource, legal use of resource. Now the question arises, why resource planning is required? Resources are free gift of nature. Then why resource planning is required? That we will go write 5 points. I have given the question, means what is resource planning? A question arises. That is my next question. What are need of resource planning? I have given write 5 points. But the most important point is that resource planning is required only because resources are limited in amount, and see, not only limited, but it is unevenly distributed. Somewhere you will find tidal energy, somewhere you will find minerals. Suppose in Jharkhand you got minerals, but those minerals to be used in all different part of the country. So we should have some infrastructure to take out these minerals. Only infrastructure to take out the minerals is not sufficient. You should distribute properly to the all part of the country. So these all things are required in resource planning. These all things accumulate to give you the resource planning. So we will write the point means point of this answer of this question point wise. Okay. Now see, what are the need for resource planning? What are the need for resource planning? So need for resource planning are, number one, I have already told you, most of the resources are limited in supply. Limited in supply. It is not sufficient, it is limited, but it has to be distributed through all part of the country, to different part of the country. So we should use it in a planned way. Point number two, most of the resources are unevenly distributed. Somewhere it is found, somewhere it is not found. Unevenly distributed over the country. Jharkhand, we will not have any tidal energy. So this energy, wherever it is found, it should be distributed in Jharkhand also on different parts of the country. Number three, overutilization of resources. Overutilization of resources. If we use resources too much without thinking, may lead to pollution of environment. It will lead to pollution of environment. It may lead to pollution of environment. Point number 4, underutilization. If you don't use resources accordingly, then what will happen? Will lead to underdevelopment. Although we are having resources, if you don't use it, our country will be underdeveloped. Number 5, through it means through resources, we would be able to develop our natural resources. We will be able to develop our natural resources. Okay. Now these 2 questions you have to write in your copy. Already I have given you to learn. And I have told you earlier also, any day I can go to your home, knock your door, I will not enter, but outside only I will ask the questions. Be prepared. Thank you.